Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and another Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. So in this video, I will show you two different methods to turn on or activate the Wi-Fi calling. So first method, you can use the phone app. Open the app drawer and tap on the phone application on your device. Now tap on a three horizontal line at the top left corner. Tap on the settings. Now here you can find the calling accounts option. Here you can see it. Tap on the calling accounts. Here you can see your SIM name, network name on your device. So tap on your network name. Now here you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. By default you can see the turn it off. So tap on it. Now toggle on the option. So you can see the option calling preferences. Tap on it. Here you can select calling preferences. Call over mobile network. If mobile network is unavailable, use the Wi-Fi. Or call over Wi-Fi. So make sure always select call over Wi-Fi. So if Wi-Fi is unavailable, it will use the mobile data. So it means you can use the Wi-Fi calling feature if Wi-Fi is available on your device. If not available, it will automatically use the mobile network on your device. So you can make a call using your Wi-Fi network on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it. When Wi-Fi calling is on, your phone can route calls via Wi-Fi network or your mobile networks, depending on your preferences and which signal is stronger. So it will automatically convert whichever signal is the strong on your device. So this is the first method. Second method, you can use the phone settings by open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap on network and internet. Tap on internet. Now here you can see your SIM network name. So tap on the setting gear icon on your device. Now here you can see your SIM settings. At the bottom you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it. Now toggle on use Wi-Fi calling to activate the Wi-Fi calling or turn on the Wi-Fi calling and select the calling preferences. So quite easy to enable Wi-Fi calling on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to turn off or disable the Wi-Fi calling on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 version. That's it. Please like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.